Okay everyone, today we're going to make focaccia. It's a really good, crunchy, thin bread with lots of air in it to make it really light. It's easy to make, not a lot of hands-on time, a lot of time in the refrigerator. It is flexible. You put it in the refrigerator from 18 to 48 hours, so you got plenty of time. Then it rises for 2 to 4 hours, so you have plenty of time. So it's a really flexible bread. I do say that you put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. That is wrong. You put it for 25 to 30. So let's get that right. Let's make that clarification. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make it. So easy. All right, let's get it started. Pretty simple. 4 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons yeast, 2 teaspoons salt, and 2 cups of warm water. We're going to mix it together. Nice big bowl so it has some room to rise. Alright, we're all mixed together, no dry bits. So we're going to drizzle it with olive oil, reasonably good amount, maybe a tablespoon or so. Going to flip it around, get everything nice and coated. Alright, that is done. All I have to do now, we're going to cover it with plastic wrap and pop it in the fridge for anywhere from 18 to 48 hours. So you got a lot of flexibility here. It'll be ready when you are. Good morning. I just took my dough out of the refrigerator. It's covered in plastic wrap. It's been in the refrigerator about 24 hours. I'm going to gently uncover it and oil my hands a little bit and pull the dough into a ball. Move that so you can see it. Just pulling it into a ball, just like that, to release it from the sides. Now I have my pan. It is a quarter sheet pan. A quarter sheet pan is 8.5 by 12. I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of oil in the bottom of the pan. Just take my dough that I have just released from the sides of the bowl. I'm going to turn it in the pan once. I'm just going to leave it set here now for anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. I'm going to loosely cover it with the plastic that I just took off. And that is it. Hands off for the next 2 to 4 hours. Okay, it has been 2.5 hours. See how much the dough has relaxed in the last 2.5 hours? Just by keeping my hands off. So I am going to top it with about 2 more tablespoons of olive oil. And then you take all 10 of your fingers and you just dimple the dough and press it all over the pan. It will move very easily because it is quite rested. I'm just sticking my fingers in and moving it around to fill the pan. I have my oven heated at 425 degrees. It's been on for about 20 minutes. Okay, my dough's all dimpled all the way around. Quickly just wipe off my hands a bit. Now I'm going to sprinkle it with coarse sea salt. Good sprinkling. Sprinkle up high so that the salt goes everywhere and doesn't just dump in one place. And then on top of that, I'm going to sprinkle some rosemary. You can put different toppings on yours. I like sea salt and rosemary. That's a traditional topping on focaccia. All right, that is it. It is going to go in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 425 degrees, and we will check on it when it comes out of the oven. It will be fabulous. Into the oven it goes. Okay, so this was in the oven for 28 minutes. It has rested for 10 minutes, and we're gonna cut into it and see what we got. Look how great that looks. It is so yummy. Get a knife. Listen to this. This is the best part. Ready? Ooh. Oh, I love that sound, that crispy sound. Oh. Okay, so look at this. Doesn't that look fabulous? So good. It's really good warm, obviously, because bread is good warm. Oh yeah. So good. Sorry about that. I also like it sliced in the morning with eggs. Dipping it in the egg yolk is really good. You can put different topping on it, dried tomatoes, Italian seasoning, whatever you like. Definitely worth giving it a try. It's so easy to make. Thanks for hanging with me. Let me know if you make it and how it turns out for you. Have a great day.